Good evening, folks. Thank you for your patience. We're live at 9:32. Battling for Glen's Han Carbonite. There he is. He looks like a nice one. 10 spots. Great odds here for a winner. 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We didn't. We got a 3. So I'm rolling again. This time we're in better shape. We got a 6. We're in great shape for a battle. Here we go. Nate takes round 1. Donnie 2. Jason 3. Nate takes round 4. And round 5. He's on a roll. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Nice looking figure. Good odds. Who's it going to be? The winner is Nate. And at number 9, congratulations. Here's the verification. To make it official, HVYLYN. Heavy Lynn. There it is. Heavy Lynn says Nate's the winner. And at number 9, I'm done. At 9:34. I like it when the verification codes spell weird things. There it is, 9:34. There it is again. Thanks to the winner. Congrats. See you next time, guys.